Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in other vlog. You're watching me, Rizwan from Pakistan. Today, me and my brother, we are going to Multan to purchase some material, some stuff for my TikTok live studio. As you know, I'm a TikTok live star. You can see it is morning time. The sun is up in the sky, so shiny. We are on our way. First of all, I have to get to Man Road, then Market, bus stand. Then I'm gonna sit on bus and then I'm gonna get to Multan and then I will be back. That's what we're gonna do today. I'm on my way and you see this place many times. It's a tractor. This person, he is watching the crops. और नजर भाई ठीक है? Yeah, so he is watching the crops today. I'm on my way. There we go. Now we'll get on a rickshaw and we're gonna go. Yo. Get off from rickshaw and now we're gonna walk to this bus stand. Get here, I'm gonna wait for the bus. Guys, we're gonna sit here and we are waiting for the bus as it's gonna arrive. We're gonna get it on and now then we're gonna go to Multan. Me and my brother. That bus is gonna go to Multan. This one is going in other city, but I'm gonna get on this one and it's going to Multan. I sit on this bus. You can see interior. Me and my brother. This one is another bus. It's going to other city. Just off from the bus and now I'm gonna go to metro station and then we're gonna go to next station. On metro station, photography or vlogging is not allowed, so I'm not gonna record that, but you can see that I'm with my brother. I just get off from the metro bus. Now we're gonna get on a auto rickshaw and then we're gonna go to Khan Plaza. Before I was at Northern Bypass, then I came on Chungi number 9, this place, and now we're gonna go to Khan Plaza. You can see the view. We are in Multan city. Guys, I'm off from rickshaw and now I get on Khan Market, Multan. We see we're gonna pay him 250 rupees. Take a Allah Hafiz. Guys, at this time we are in Khan Computer Market, Multan. I reach at Umar Computers, Multan, and here I buy my computer, my PC for TikTok live streaming from them, and I'm gonna show you what I purchased. Guys, this is the computer I purchased, processor 5600. They're gonna fix it, everything. This is all things are new, fresh, latest. You can see the case and every stuff. I'm here on this shop. It took me 3 hours. Not in this shop, in this market. It's called Khan Computer Market, Multan. It's very famous. It is located in Kent, Multan, Kent. You can see near to Chungi number 9. So on this shop, Umar Computers. finally I off from Khan Computer, and now I'm gonna sit in this car and I put my PC here. Let's go. Let's see what is the next one.
दुकानें नहीं है, वहीं से साइकिल लेंगे और निकल जाएंगे. अब आपको जो बेस्ट पड़ता है ना जिस तरीके.
Guys, now we're gonna go to next destination.
गाड़ी करना भी आया तो नई गाड़ी शोरूम से निकल के खड़ी रहती है. मैंने कहा शादी मैं रास्ते में हूँ, मैं घर पहुँच के आपको बैक कॉल. और जिसके
Guys, you can see this is the stand. This is the Opta and this is the lights. That's what I purchased for flash during the studio. So you can see I purchased the lights from this shop, and now I'm gonna sit again into the car, and then we're gonna go to next destination.
और रिजवान फैंसी कीबोर्ड और उसके माउस पे क्या कह रहा था?
My brother and this uncle, they're doing conversation because they both work in same occupation. That's why we are on our way. Today was a long day, but now we start going back to home and purchasing things. We are near to GPO Chowk, Multan and post office.
Multan. The head post office है GPO.
This is the head post office,
General post office.
GPO, General Post Office, Multan.
Yeah.
This one, you can see. We're still going. Look at this.
अपने खान का बता दे.
This is a graveyard on this side. You can see all lovely people. A lot of graves on other side. Wow. This side is also graveyard, both sides of the road. You can see that. I buy the cycle and now we're gonna adjust it into it. You can see, guys, that's how I fix it. Now after buy the cycles, the last thing, LED is remaining. Evening time. The traffic jam, we're stuck in it. But let's see. Multan, Ghantaghar. You can see the middle. Here we go. Now we're going to buy the last thing, LED. It's evening time. There's a lot of traffic at this time because it's Aftari time, Rosa opening, fast opening time. That's why. You can see. We are going here now. Electronic market in Multan, Ghantaghar. Here we can buy a fridge, air conditioner, washing machines, LED, or whatever we want to buy. Each at this electronic shop, and we're gonna purchase LED screen. You can see, and you can also check the condition of this car. It is almost full because we have a lot of luggage in it. You can see the lights, cycle, computer, a lot of stuff. And the last thing I'm gonna put, it's gonna be LED screen, 65 inch, and then we're gonna move to next. You will see. They have material for Aftari. So this uncle, they have first, they're gonna do Aftar, and we're gonna put the LED in this carry, in this car, and after that we will back to her. They're gonna do Aftar, after Aftar they will.
ठीक है.
They will show us. And they had a break because they was doing after. Now they're gonna justify us that it is clear and they're gonna own it, and we're gonna confirm that it's okay. Then we will put it in the car, and after that we're gonna back to home. We're gonna go back to home. That's what we're gonna do.
ये 180 चल रही है अभी 4 के लिए इसके आप रिजल्ट चेक करें
So finally we check it. It is okay. Now I'm gonna pay them money.
उसमें सेल तो नहीं है
हाथ रखिए भी लगा के ना शिकर हाथ रखो
So guys, finally I purchased it for 173K.
घंटी इसमें लिख स्टैंड भी लगा दो अपनी शॉप की पार्किंग में
वारंटी कार्ड तो आपको ओपन ही दिया वारंटी उसी में है
हाँ ठीक है
So guys, we didn't go on that car because it was not fitting in that one. Now we're gonna go on this rickshaw. You can see everything is adjusted in it, and it is night time. We've been here for like a lot of time. It's gone. You can see now I'm sitting in this rickshaw. This is the LED and other stuff going. ठीक है हाफिज भाई At this time I'm in Multan chair market, and I selected a gaming chair from this shop, and it cost me 31,500 rupees. It is blue color, but I purchased this chair for 31,000. ठीक है अच्छा
इसके अलावा अगर आप उसको इस तरह बंद
दोबारा एक बार दिखाना इसका भाई को guys you can see it is multi functional chair. He's showing me what we can do with this chair. Say
आप कर दोगे तो फिर पीछे नहीं गए
अच्छा So guys, finally I put my all material on this rickshaw, LCD, chair, PC, cycle, everything, and my brother he's gonna go on rickshaw with these two people, but I'm not gonna go with him. I'm gonna go on bus, and I'm gonna leave him now. Bless him, and we will see what's gonna happen next. Now they're covering the rickshaw. Mobile में है मेरे दोनों मोबाइलों में. They are covering the rickshaw. After that they're gonna start it, and I will start moving to my home. Yes, my brother is gonna sit in this chair. That's how he's gonna go. These two people also going with him. I'm gonna leave him, and then I will go on my journey. I'm gonna find a rickshaw, and I will sit on rickshaw. Then I will go to my home. Finally, I get on this rickshaw. Now I'm gonna go to city number 2. Then I'm gonna take a metro bus to Manbai station, and then I will be back to my home. It is night time now, guys. Finally guys, I reached at Chungi number 9 metro station. I'm gonna go to Vihari Chowk, and then I will record further vlog. Finally guys, I left the metro station at Vihari Chowk, you can see, and now I'm gonna take a bus then I'm gonna go to home. This is the final destination. Guys, at this time I'm at Basada, Multan, and I'm gonna get to a bus to get my home. There's a lot of buses, you can see. Finally, I get on this bus, and I'm gonna pay 400 rupees to get back to my home. Guys, there is a person. He have a stall and he's selling peanuts, nuts, and dates and crepes. Lot of things. Guys, I'm close to Manchok. As I'm gonna reach, I'm gonna get off from this bus. Then I'm gonna go to my home. Finally, guys, I am off from this bus now. Long journey. It was a long journey. Now I'm gonna go to market to eat something. My brother is coming on rickshaw, but I was on this bus. And let's see. So I purchased some fruits for me. कितने पैसे हो गए इनके? 700. I purchased apple and this fruit. And now I'm gonna purchase something more. Then I'll be back home. Shukriya, bro.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna buy 2 burgers. You can see. Purchase the burger and some fruits because I was feeling hungry. Now I'm gonna go to my home. And today I'm so late, but it's okay. And it's been raining here. So guys, I was about to get on rickshaw, but then I meet my friends. They know me. They live there where I live. They asked me, where you going? I said I'm gonna go home. So they said, okay, get with us. So I'm gonna get to my home for free with them. And this is the bike on which I'm gonna go. And you can see it is night time. Very quiet everywhere. And it's been raining here. You can see a little bit water on the ground. It was been raining here, but not much. All right, we're gonna get here. They will go. Papa. We're three on one bike. We're gonna go. Finally, guys, I reached at my home. It is night time, and my street dogs are barking at me. My neighbors, they stop now, by the way, so they will go. It was a long day, but I'm gonna end my vlog, and I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos. If you like it, make sure you share it with your friends.